sounds so weird to say install because I don't be doing nothing. I try my best, but it ain't really much. Like, it's not, I'm still a beginner in that realm, but nonetheless, that was the point of me buying the wig, so I can have practice, opportunity and practice. You can't see it, but here I have the rest of the packages. Actually, this isn't mine. I think this is my mom's. Yes, one moment. Alright, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages here. And I told y'all I was going to try to go from big to little. So let's try to do that and see where we get. And hopefully, out of all of this, I can find me an outfit for tonight as well. I was thinking about it at work today, what I would wear tonight, just because I want to look nice. I want to look my best. I'm really excited to see the items that I have here. Plus, I bought a lot of things to help me organize and just kind of stay tidy and neat in a little bit. But yeah, here we go. I think someone's home. This is my wig package. Awesome, because I got wig caps, the brown shade. Goes without saying. This is a natural curly hair. I think I'll put it here. It'll be on the screen. I like this one. Okay, yes. This is the headband wig. I remember wanting to stock up on the more convenient wigs. I'm not going to like be using them as much as I would during like the work season because summer is upon us. And the last wig out of my wig purchase was, this is a lace wig. Oh yes, the cute one with the like crinkles in it. Yes, I'm excited to see how this looks. Woohoo! One student that clocks me just about every day, she loves to just kind of give me a rundown on what she thinks about how I look today. Anyways, it's a daily thing for her. I just let her do her thing, but let her know like, I do not be asking for this. But she definitely pointed out today, like, she was like, you change your hair like every day. And I really don't. I definitely don't try to. And I literally just changed it out because I was so eager to try this hair, knowing that I was going out this evening. That's that. We can go on to the next package. This package, yay, this is my spring to summer package. This is my spring to summer package. A swimsuit, cover up, a bag. I don't know if I got all that in here, but those are the items within the realm that I was shopping for as far as summer goes. If you know me, you know I can't swim, so I've never really had a need for a bathing suit. And the ones that I have invested money in, I remember being quite young investing in a swimsuit from Forever 21 that I loved to pieces. And I swear I only wore it like twice in my life. It eventually disappeared on me. Like, I just have never had a need for swimsuits. I got one that I thought would be so cute. Oh, I'll just rip one of the packets. It's fine. This is crochet. Y'all, I love crochet. It's a crochet top. I have a crochet dress that I was gifted by a church member, and I'm in love with that dress. It fits me lovely. It's beautiful. I always get complimented in it, and it just fits so comfortably. Y'all, I'm a fan of crochet items. So this is like a beach bag that I thought was cute and affordable. This is the swimsuit. There it is there. I got me some blue jeans. Oh yes. Y'all, I hope these fit me like they're supposed to. Honestly, if these fit, I'm going with it tonight. I don't know, I just might because I'm just excited about these. And then I got 2 more wigs. Don't judge me. I like switching up my look, and in the summertime, I like to definitely have my hair on protective style mode 24/7. I know it seems like I already do that. I really abused it the last 2 times I wore my hair out. She needs to recover. So these are the 2 wigs that I got, and I imagine, if I remember correctly, one is similar to the hair that I currently have on as far as like it being wavy and such. It is not the same length though, and it has a bang, and it's black. I got these 2 wigs. The other wig also has a bang, but it has more of like a body wave type of look. But I'm just, yeah, I just wanted to have some things that I could go to for various occasions and all of that good stuff. I just had a birthday, and I'm just kind of being more intentional about what I do with my day and just being more purposeful. And I just need to be intentional about getting out and having experiences and trying new activities and all that fun stuff. Like I said, I don't want to feel like I take too much time of talking, so on to the next package.
Content will resume after this brief business promo.
Like I said, I don't want to feel like I take too much time of talking, so on to the next package, which is this one. I got a white crop top, versatile. I got a super cute plaid like jacket shirt thing, so 90s, so comfortable, so cute. The color scheme on it is up my alley. I just love it. I also got I got a unitard. I was expecting the unitard. I just don't know why my mind didn't go to that when I saw it in the package. But yes, I already know what these are. These are the blue jean shorts that I purchased. The measurements on these, just, you know how I feel when it comes to measurements in my petite frame. Maybe you don't know how I feel. I need to stop acting like I'm somebody. But I'm just saying, we're on a weight gain journey over here. Bear with me. But these seem like they would be a good summer option. So I went ahead and got them, and hopefully they fit me like they're supposed to. Because if they won't, because if they don't. This is like one of those crop hoodies that stop like above your chest area. It's supposed to be a green satin mini skirt. Lookbook coming soon. Y'all already know I come through. I got this band. It's not a bandana. It looks like a bandana, like the texture, but it's not. I got this headband to match this top. I know this also looks like a bandana, but it's not. It's supposed to be a two-tone crop top. It looked really cute online, and it was also on sale. I indulged in their spring sale, if you can't tell, which is now over at the time of this recording. this was on sale. Look at the design. I bought some shoes from Shein that have this same design, and I'm hoping that it works out. 2 more packages. My shoes! These are green sneakers. So cute. Excited. This was the other package I was not expecting. I'm so happy. A super cute jacket. Wearing it tonight. Perfect. You can see it on the screen. It's nice. Awesome. A wig. I'm just not sure which one. I'll put the picture here.